Hello and welcome, I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is a Forster T699EB motorhome, and for something like this you're looking at a certain quantity of money, which in this case is €73,000. So this vehicle, 7 meters long, 235 wide, height of 295. It's got a lot of standing height inside. Forster motorhomes are quite bright inside. This one's looking a bit dark at the moment. Can't add more light to the situation, unfortunately, because it's been turned off. It comes with a sink, including a colander. The colander's extra. It's got 2 burners in there. We've got some storage under here and drawers down here. Very nice. I've got a big fridge here. And what was that noise? Don't know. And here we've got lots of storage up there. Look how deep that goes back. At the back of this vehicle we have a German layout, windowed at the side, no storage above it, storage at there, but at the end we've got shelves. What's the point of putting a shelf in the motorhome? Motorhomes move, so things can fall out of them. So that's just my idea. This comes back, and this will turn into a German layout. It's something to fill in here. It's possibly in the bit of the mattress is possibly in here, but it isn't. This is a wardrobe. It's really big. On the other side we have got in there is a what's in there? That's the boiler. Can't access it though from, well, you'd have to, oh no, you can't access it, sorry, take that back. So storage there. There's the boiler, which I alluded to just now. And right, washroom in here. I bet the light's off. Oh, it isn't. See, if I checked it earlier, I don't know. Very attractive, I think. Enormous shower, very good. And forward facing bench here. We've got a bit of place there to keep your feet or something and sit around there. Above this we've got a bed which will drop down. You know what, I'm going to see if I can turn them on. Oh no, the lights are on. No, they're off, and they're on. That's the best I can do in the current circumstances. Yeah. This one here is on a Citroen. Others you might find on the used market on a FIAT Ducato. And there you go. It's not a flat floor, but it's reasonably fat. Let's have a look down the outside. Passing the extension to the kitchen on the way out. Fly net in the door. It's got a lot of storage here in the back, as you can see. Stacks of room in there. There's my bag. That doesn't come with it. And Forster, 10 years. So it was started in actually I think it's 11 years now. Come to think, it was 2013 I thought it was started. Anyway, Forster was set up as a cheaper brand of Trigano, and on the whole the vehicles are relatively cheap. A friend of mine who works them was telling me he didn't think the quality was very good, but I don't think the quality's too bad. But then again, if he works at the company, I really think this is a nice brand, to be quite honest, even though despite the price. It looks a bit like Roller Team. We've got Challenger in the same group as well. Benimar, all in the same company. Anyway, there you have it. That is the Forster T699EB motorhome. Hope you found that interesting. If you didn't, then I'm sorry for being so boring. And if you did, then you might want to subscribe. And if you want to subscribe, then you'll know when I do things like live chats and other things from places like this, from Dusseldorf. So, thanks very much, and all the best from me in Germany.